Hey everyone, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. So today I had this last minute New Year's look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and follow me on my other social medias. So we're going to start off with an eyeshadow base. You can use Pretty Grace for some money off. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. I'll link them down below for you guys. This eyeshadow base is amazing. So you definitely need to get your hands on it. Anyways, so after my video with the rant about Morphe, the day after that, I started receiving packages from Morphe. I don't know what happened. If you guys tagged them, send them the video. I don't know if somebody saw it, but I mean, yeah. So they sent me this new palette. I don't know if my codes are still working because I heard they're going on bankruptcy, whatever, but can use Pretty Grace for some money off. I don't know if it still works, but yeah. So I used that brown shadow on my crease. Then I'm just going to go with that black shadow from that palette on the outer corner, just on the V. Then I'm going back with that same eyeshadow base, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. It's a white base. I do have a skin color base. I will show you guys in another video because I did use it in another video. So they have a like 4 other ones, so definitely check that out. You can use my code like I said. So then I'm going to go with this silvery color from Makeup Forever. It's like a shimmer. I don't know what it's called, but I will look for it and list it down below for you guys if you guys are interested in, you know, getting down. But it is so pretty. I really love it. I did spray my brush with setting spray just so it helped a little bit with the fallout. Then I'm going with eye candy. It's like a gray charcoal glitter just to apply in the outer corner because I mean it's New Year's. Who doesn't want to have sparkle? So yeah, just gonna go ahead and kind of blend everything out. Kind of just go back and, you know, check whatever needs to be kind of retouched. That's what I go ahead and do before I even go ahead and apply my lash. When I apply my lash, it does look different, so I try to go back and kind of retouch everything. So you guys can see I'm just kind of retouching everything, making sure that everything's really nice and blended and all that good stuff. I'm sorry if my videos seem a lot shorter. It's just that I'm so like used to not editing for like Instagram and TikTok, and videos have to be a lot shorter, so I kind of cut a lot of the useless stuff on the videos. So yeah. So then I'm just using a shimmery shade onto the brow bone just to give me a little bit of a highlight and just a little bit of pop. And then I'm using this, it's supposed to be for the brows, but I use it as an eyeliner. I don't know, it's from Benefit. I don't know if they still have this. It's really old, but I still use it because, I mean, why not? So yeah, so I'm using that for the waterline. Then I'm going with a little bit of the black eyeshadow into the bottom lash line just to kind of smoke it out a little bit more. Then I do go back and apply a little bit of the brown shadow just to kind of smoke it out a little bit more because I did want to have like that smoky eye effect. So that's what I did. Then I'm going with a white shimmery shade from that same palette. I forgot to show it, my bad. And I'm just applying this into the inner corner just to give me a pop of highlight. Then I'm going with Kiss Lash, I think that's what it's called, lashes. And then I'm using a Morphe lip liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. I will list that lip liner down below for you guys. And the liquid lip that I'm using is from Ofra Cosmetics. I will list all that down below for you guys. I try to remember to list everything, and I totally forget. But if I don't list it, definitely check my other social medias because I mostly list it there. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just using this like pinkish nude color. This one definitely you have to use like a lip liner because it's a little bit too light, and I feel it looks like you ate donuts and you like left it in your mouth. So yeah, so I'm just blending this in with my finger just to kind of blend it with the lip liner. I do go back with the lip liner and kind of line my lips again one more time. So yeah, then I'm going with this mascara. I have been loving this mascara. I believe this is a L'Oreal mascara. Is it a L'Oreal? Yes, it is. It's a L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. Love it. Then I'm going with some setting spray from Milk Makeup, my favorite setting spray, and this should be the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and Happy New Year. I hope this year brings you amazing things. Love you guys, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.